Are you looking for the best air conditioner filters? Well, we've got these right here. Figured I'd show these things off to you guys today. So let's go ahead and grab that Mike Vance knife right there so we can open this bad boy on up and see what we got on the inside. By the way, if y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hooking that over for me right there. So slicing and dicing on through this, and then I'll flip this on over, and you can see that you get a good amount of filters in there. What's that, like 6 or so? And these right here, they make them in a whole bunch of different sizes. We have a 20 by 30 by 1 AC unit right here. So that is what we have in these. I like how they come all saran wrapped up because you only need one at a time. And we like to keep ours just on the top shelf in like the pantry or the closet or whatever. Just kind of keep them out of the way. We know where they are. And that way we always have some ready to go. Let's go ahead and get rid of this saran wrap on here so we can take a look. So this is a Merv 8 right there. So it's going to help with these particular dust particles and allergen type stuff right here. It's not going to do these right here. We find the Merv 8 to be about right to where it's getting a lot of the stuff out of the air, a lot of the pollen, a lot of the mess out of the air, but not hard, and it's not strong enough for keeping the AC from running too hard. That's usually what happens. Whenever you get up to some of those higher Merv counts, your air conditioner has to run harder because it's harder for that air to get pushed up through that filter. And so we've found that something like this works best. So this is it right here. It's just got your pleated style. It does have the nice wiring on the inside right there to kind of hold it all together. This one, it has a little box right here so that you can put in the date that your filter was installed. That way you know how long it's been up there, and whenever you go to change it out, you have an idea of when it needs to be changed out next. I know we use one of those Nest thermostat things, and it has a reminder on there for you to check your filter ever so often. I don't know if it's just like a date type of thing. It says, oh, you know, after 3 months or whatever it is, change your filter, or if it somehow it recognizes how much airflow is going through there, and maybe that is for the filter. I'm not 100% sure of that, but this looks like a great filter right here if you're looking for a Merv 8. Now, as I mentioned, this one is the 20 by 30 by 1. They make these in all kinds of different sizes so they can fit all the different AC units that are out there. So if you need something that's a Merv 8, but you don't have that exact size, definitely go and check out the product listing below, and they'll have all the different options that you can choose from on there. That way you guys can go and pick out the one that's going to be the best and the one that's going to fit in your AC handler. But y'all definitely go and grab y'all some of these if this is something that you're looking for. As I mentioned, too, this is the 6-pack right here. I don't know if they make it in smaller or larger packs. If you kind of wanted to test them out first, you can just get 1 or 2 of them, kind of see how you like them. But if you do want to just buy it in bulk, save a little bit, you got the space to be able to hold them like we do up in our closet, you can, save a little bit by buying in bulk. So, again, definitely go and check out that product listing below. And I believe one of the options on there was how many you want in your package. So, like I said, y'all definitely go and grab y'all some of these if this is something that you're looking for. Y'all let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that helpful right there. Definitely appreciate you guys hooking that up for us. Y'all go and add this to your cart. And thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I could show it off to y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and Dad out.